What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy T, back again today with another video. Not a Soul Supremacy beater box video though. You can see this tower of shoes standing next to me. I did a local deal. I bought in bulk from one of the homies who I've been buying from and selling to and did business with for a while now. Woke up one morning, he sent me a bunch of pictures and he was like, yo, I need to move all of these. So I said, bet. I gave this cat $825 for all these shoes. It's 8 pair total. And like I said, it's not a beater box, but I still want to show y'all what I picked up. And yeah, man, we probably just gonna jump right into it. I, of course, already know what they are. It's not a mystery or nothing like that, which is something different for me. I'm used to the beater boxes. But first pair, I got a Nike Air FOAMPOSITE. Size 11.5 in men, size 13 in women. And I had looked up these shoes, all of them really, and I can't remember the nicknames to these. Black and gold foams. These are not dead stock. These were worn maybe once or twice, he said, and as you can tell from the bottoms, they wasn't worn hardly at all when he did wear them. So black and gold. I like the gold hits on these. I'm not sure what the material is on the side. I want to say it's some kind of deluxe, gold deluxe or something like that. Size 11.5. All these shoes will be up for sale. And well, all of them be up for sale except one pair. I'm probably gonna end up keeping one pair. I'll show y'all that pair when I get there. And box in great shape. Size 11.5. Next up, I got a Jordan 3 and a size 11. Jordan 3 chlorophyll, I want to say this is called. These, you can find these under retail pretty much everywhere now. These are dead stock, so I'm not gonna pull out the other one, but these are dead stock, size 11. Actually, not a bad colorway, just not a lot of people's cup of tea, I guess. Size 11 on those. All these shoes come with the original boxes. Dude has a crazy collection. This is just some stuff he wanted to move. You can tell from the box what we got here. These are a size 11.5. We got the Gatorades, 11.5. Some people just call these the orange Carmines. Not bad, man. 6s. I'll take 6s over 7s, just my personal preference. But these are 11.5. A little too big for me. I do have the green Gatorade. You guys know that from me getting them in a beater box. It would have been cool to have the white ones to match along with it, just to add to the collection. But I'm not gonna be able to fit these, and they do have the hang tag in the bottom of the box. Size 11.5. Show y'all the bottom. These are not dead stock either, but you can tell he barely worn, maybe once or twice. Alright, next up, a lot of people's favorite box, size 10.5. This is probably the pair that I will be keeping. Yeah, I guess what it is. You've never seen these on my channel. I don't know what took me so long. When I seen these in hand, in person, I was like, yo, I gotta have them, keeping them. These are mine, size 10.5. We have the pine greens. I know a lot of people going crazy for the turbos, which that is a dope one also, but this one to me is better, man. What y'all think? Which one is better, down below, turbo or the pine green? And all these shoes come with, well, most of these shoes come with the receipt from either Foot Action or Foot Locker. So this pair will not be up for sale. So the other 7 will be going up for sale. These are a Nike Air FOAMPOSITE 1, size 11. This pair is crazy, man. This pair was nuts when I seen these. These are the blue mirrors. We got the blue mirror foams or blue tints. These are not dead stock. If it was dead stock, that'd just blow this out the water. But I looked these up, man, just to see where they were sitting at on the market, because I remember everybody was going nuts when they first dropped. And I quit moving around so fast so you guys can see. It's hard to catch it because they're so shiny. These shoes right here, dead stock, still going over 500 bucks. And this pair is barely lightly worn, man. This is nice. And again, with the Foot Locker receipt. That right there is probably the money shoe for sure out of all these. I don't know if I told y'all the price, man. I paid $825 for all of this. So to me, my question is it better than a beater box? I do better than a beater box. I don't know. That's kind of hard to do because Supremacy does some great work, but next up, we got the TN Air on the back. You guys know what these are. We got the Air Maxes Classic. These are called the Sunsets. These are dead stock. Very nice pickup right here with the original box. These are a size 11, size 12.5 in women's. And to make it match, we're gonna go ahead and do the Hyper Blues. We got the Hyper Blue joints also. Again, dead stock. This dude threw me a crazy deal on this, man. It's a little bulk deal, man. I'm happy with these. Both of these TN Air Maxes are size 11, OG colorways. The OG Max Plus, size 11 again on those. So can't lose with dead stock shoes. And the final pair that is up for sale, these are the Air Max Plus 97s. These are size 11 also, dead stock. I love that black and yellow. Size 11. So most of the shoes he wears my size 10, well he wears a 11.5, and I wear a 10.5, 11. So most of these shoes I can fit and keep, but I'm not going to be keeping all of them. I will be keeping those ones, like I said, and the rest of these will be up for sale. So if you see anything you want in this video, man, you can email me or DM me on Instagram or Twitter at TGOTSOLE, and you can hit me up on the Gmail at TGOTSOLE@gmail.com. What do y'all think, man? Is this better than a beater box? I don't know. For the people that watch my beater box videos, I feel like I did pretty good for a little bulk buyout deal type of situation here. What y'all opinion? Leave me down below. What y'all think, man? I'm pretty happy with, especially with the blue mirror foams, and got to keep my ones and everything else. Most of the stuff is dead stock, so I feel like it was a pretty good deal. Again, if you see anything you want, hit me up and I'll get it shipped out to you. Everybody who ordered shoes last week, they shipped out and everybody is pretty happy with it, so I was glad to hear that. And I think that's it, man. It's gonna conclude. Another beater box will be here in the next day or two, I believe. I gotta check the tracking again. They do this thing now with FedEx. You gotta sign, it gotta be adult signature and all that. So sometimes I get it dropped off and I have to go pick it up, and that could push me back a day or two also with my work schedule. But nonetheless, beater box is on the way. We'll be here soon, and that video is gonna go up right after this one. So again, appreciate you guys watching. I'm out. Peace.